It's your boy StacheCam here with the 540 in the background. This is 5 tips and tricks to your E34 chassis. Alright, this tip is pretty handy. Check it out. So the locks are powered by the battery, and if you're locked outside and the battery's dead, you can't get in. This method helps you get in your car. Well, it helps you. Basically, you're going to charge your battery if your car is dead, give it a jump, unlock the door, and then you're good. Original owned 535 there.
That looks good.
He's a classic guy. Oh, I'm trying to make the light. Alright, here it is. Back to the video. That was the original owned 535. First owner, Peter. Great example. Shout out to David. This is for you, man. You taught me this trick and it actually helped me. So when you guys are locked outside of your car, the car's locks are powered by the battery. So if the car's dead, you can't get in. You have a dead E34, you can't get in, it's cold outside. What do? You go to Harbor Freight, you buy a $2 flathead, you wedge it in between, then you pop the hood, and then you jump start your car, unlock the door, put the heater on, and you're smooth sailing, guys. The more you know. Alright, so you guys may know this one. Another trick. Check this out. It's from '95, so when I found this out, I was blown away, and you guys might be blown away too. If your car's window is down and you haven't rolled them up, this is how you do it from outside the car. You walk up to the car and you say, "Hey, can you roll your window up, please?" But then he said no. Alright, so you're outside of your car, you forgot to roll your windows up. This is how you roll them up. This is another trick. Here it is. Stick it in, and you lock it. But I forgot. Previous owner didn't fix the lock on that one. So I'm gonna go to the other side. You guys stay right here. I was blown away when I first found this out. Maybe you guys will, maybe you guys won't, because you guys already know. But every time I show someone on the street, hey, you can do this. They're fascinated. So you're outside, you forgot to roll your windows up, you're walking away, you're like, oh, look back, my windows are down. So you walk up to it, you put it in. This works from the driver and the passenger. I'm not sure about the trunk, but you lock the car. You hold it, and the windows roll up. Check out the sunroof. This is the best part. Meow. And now your car good to go. Let's go eat. Alright, so this is another tip I learned from another E34 owner. Don't remember his name, but thank you for this tip. In most scenarios, if an E34 has heated seats, more than likely it has a winter package. So that means it has a LSD in the back. So 95s like these, like this one, I have heated seats, but all 540s came with open diff or traction control. So it doesn't really apply to 540s unless the guy ordered, I want a limited slip. So you can always check your 540, but more or less you might not have it. It tends to go to the older E34s. So if you go in and you look, heated seats, check the rear end, might be an LSD, more than likely. My parts car, my E34 parts car, the green one, it had heated seat. I didn't know about it because the guy changed the seat, he just left the plug. So when I pulled the part out, I pulled the seat out, I was like, oh, it's heated seat. And it had a 410 LSD, which I still got. But yeah, that's another tip. On to the next one. Alright, so this is just a small little tip. Not many people know because the flashlight is actually gone. But in your glove box, BMW gives you a rechargeable flashlight. It's like this. Mine doesn't work anymore. You can change the LED out, do some wiring. I just think it's neat to have. And you plug it back in and it charges itself. So yeah, if you ever seen your E34, you've seen this hole right here. This is where your flashlight used to be. Someone took it, but this one has it. You go right there, charge it. You can hack it to work, but I'm not going to. Simple man. I'm just kidding. Alright guys, so this is another trick. Don't mind my steering wheel, it needs to be fixed. That's why I haven't showed you guys 540. But if you hold this down and turn the key, and then your car checks itself with all the lights. So it's giving me some fancy lingo. Shout out to Michael Christ for this one. I'm just gonna mess with the gauges right now. Oh, you seen that? Oh crap, let's check it out, the gauges. Look at that, it's going back. When I seen this, it blew my mind. Oh, my engine oil's low, so it's telling me codes. Washer fluid's low. My brake linings, don't judge me. It's like the car's checking itself. And there you go. And you also can check your car this way. It's called the stomp test. You turn the key, stomp the pedal 5 times. Check engine light and start blinking. Count how many blinks. That was 1. You count the check engine light for the stomp test. How many blinks you get, that's what code you get. You get P100 something something something. Yeah, stomp test. That helps you to let you guys know. It's kind of like a OBD2 for check engine. Alright, so this is another trick. I don't know if you guys know this. This one's kind of simple. It involves the interior wise. So, roll down window, this one click down, goes all the way down. 1 click up, goes all the way up. It's not the same for the rest, so only that one. And for the sunroof, so 1 click back, it goes all the way open. And then 1 click forward, it goes all the way closed. Also, another trick, this OBD, onboard dash computer. This thing's pretty cool. Mine is kind of, it's on and off, so I gotta get a new one. Onboard dash computer, that's pretty cool. It actually can calculate what time you get there. Back in 95, you know. You can change your lingo, how much range you have on your tank, miles per gallon you're getting, stuff like that. So that's another trick, about just a minor trick. For a while when I first bought my 540, I didn't know what these 3 beeps were. I'll just drive randomly and it'll beep like beep, beep, beep. And I told my friend, like, what is the beeping noise? He told me, oh, in Germany they have harsh weather, so the beeping is before every hour. It changes. It changes so you can check out the weather channel like this. Changes the weather channel.
Monday morning. Winds will be strongest on the west side of the valley. Impacts, gusty winds will make...
My 95 540 has this button here, and it allows me to do some cool things with the rear tire. So when I press this, all magic happens. Sup Stashies? So I hope you guys liked that video. Those are the tips and tricks that I know for the E34 chassis. If you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. And I hope you guys like this video. It's pretty cool, right? So yeah, our last outro got ruined. If you guys are still watching the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all this famous YouTube stuff. Hopefully I showed you guys something new. If I didn't know something that you guys know, make sure to comment, make another video. I'll mention you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. So what's up, guys? We got a guy here like writing the license plate down. Some people that don't really like the video. If you guys like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe.
What happened?
My traction control. Hold on, we're just gonna stop right now because